Hi guys, this video shows how TurboPi performs obstacle avoidance. When it detects obstacle, it turns. Okay, start the game. Firstly, reset system dapps.yvnc, then open terminal. Type this command to enter the directory where game programs are stored. Go on, input this command and press enter to start the game. If you need to close this game, return back to terminal and press Ctrl C. You can enter exit to exit the terminal. Okay guys, for detailed information about obstacle avoidance, please refer to PDF material.